I passed the biggest part of my life surrounded by nature. And every day, more and more, I realize that all we need to do is look at life the way birds look at life. They fly up above, but they always remain focused on earth. They stabilize themselves on earth. They know which direction they take each moment, what direction to take every moment. I came from a social and family background which was very complicated and very troubled. And this helped me understand that there are a lot of weak points within human nature. But if if we really want to achieve something important in our lives, the only way to do it is to remain concentrate on what lies within, on what lies within ourselves. In order to do that, we need to establish a new contact with ourselves, completely new. We have to throw away everything that is garbage, everything that was like, clothes that others put on us. We didn't want to wear them. These were not our costumes. These were masks. And we were forced to wear this, to put on these masks. It's a false pretense all the time. But human nature is in the process of awakening. But awakening cannot go without therapy, without bringing harmony back into the centers of our life, our inner centers, especially the center of the heart. This is where we need to keep our balance. A tree knows how to guide you. The earth beneath your feet, the earth, the sky, the sun, the mountains. There is a symbolic meaning behind everything. A sacred writing which reveals a great deal of things about your own life and your own spiritual awakening. And the ancient tribes, the ancient people, our ancestors, they knew how to walk on earth. We need to rediscover all that. We need to rediscover our inner voice. The master lies within. He's the voice of truth. And we can listen to this voice of truth all around us. This voice of truth speaks through the skies, through the clouds, through the sun, through the lakes, the seas, the mountains, the trees, the animals, the birds, the flowers. All these sensations know how to activate everything that is true and meaningful. If we follow their message, we will fulfill our destiny. We are bound to fulfill our destiny.